Hello Lizzie, I am using Ultimate Daemon from its release and today I'm going to give you a detailed review of it. I have covered all the exciting features, way to use it, and discounted price.
That's great, Wayne. Tell me more about it. What is the usage of this software?
If your goal is to achieve better search engine rankings in an effortless manner, all you need is to have the amazing Edwinsoft's Ultimate Daemon. This is the tool that gets you lot many backlinks in a very short span of time and thus ensures more and more web traffic on your site. No need to spend hours in link building manually, instead get the Ultimate Daemon, the most efficient tool you can ever get for your top search engine ranking. For manual submission of your site to hundreds of websites, you will have to create accounts on each of them and this makes it a very time-consuming process. But with Edwinsoft's Ultimate Daemon, you can save your time, effort and money as well. This is the tool that guarantees you the results that you are looking for in terms of huge web traffic to your site. And that too very fast. Extremely fast.
What is the reliability of this software?
Before going to the in-depth analysis of Ultimate Daemon, I thought to discuss the Edwinsoft's reliability factor that makes this software more reliable. Edwinsoft has always been in the arena of developing tools and software that prove to be instrumental in web promotions. The company has been into the development of such tools since 2004 and some of the company's impressive tools that deserve worth mentioning here are Bookmarking Daemon, Article Daemon, Blog Comment Daemon and Rewriter Daemon. These products used to have exceptional features but Edwinsoft has been continually improving their portfolio by adding more new features. And Ultimate Daemon comes with such remarkable features that can get your website an enviable position in the web world. I have enumerated the incredible features of the software that will reveal you the fact why Ultimate Daemon is the ultimate name in the arena of web promotions. Amazing features of Ultimate Daemon that make your link building job effortless are: first is supporting submission on multiple platforms, articles, press releases, RSS feeds, social bookmarking, videos, Web 2. Second is seamless submission in all platforms. Third is solving the problem of CAPTCHA with the help of visual aid. Fourth is article spinning and creation of multiple unique versions. Fifth is auto-ping and proxy support features. Sixth feature is privacy protection and proxy support. Seventh is simulation of human speed. Eighth is addition of your own websites and multitasking software.
That's great. But which is the most outstanding feature of Ultimate Daemon?
In my opinion, one of the most outstanding features of Ultimate Daemon is its speed of submission, whether you want to submit your site, an article or a press release. Moreover, its submission process is seamless and effective. You don't need to supervise the functioning of the software. It keeps working of its own for hours. From creation of accounts to email verification and submission of content, everything is done automatically. You do not need to worry about those CAPTCHAs either. Just pay a negligible amount of $2 per 1,000 images and the problem of CAPTCHAs will be taken care of, or else you can use CAPTCHA Breaker.
Where can I get the CAPTCHA Breaker?
You can get CAPTCHA Breaker with discount price from www.imdiscounts.net. Oh, another remarkable feature that I must want to talk about is that you can add scores of new sites to Ultimate Daemon. The software is also capable of detecting several scripts automatically such as PHP Blueboard, Prolog, SMF, WordPress directories etc. Using this feature, you can ensure huge number of backlinks for your website and that too in a very short span of time. But there can be people who might have some concerns using this software because of privacy issues. Though, the software can create unique personal details every time you submit content on different sites. In this manner, your personal details are not exposed to a third party, and we believe this software is of great help for generating unique versions of your content. The software can rewrite and spin your articles and each version of it would be completely free from any type of duplicity. Another great feature of Ultimate Daemon is auto-pinging. The software will ping each submission automatically and you will get more and more backlinks each time. You need not to do the pinging manually and spend your hours in the process. Edwinsoft's Ultimate Daemon is the perfect tool that improves your search engine ranking in a very short period of time by getting a huge amount of backlinks. The software saves you from the frustrating and time-consuming task of manual link building. You can create thousands of accounts on various sites and platforms very quickly using the software. Using Ultimate Daemon, you can sign up on various platforms and post and publish content using certain Web 2.0 properties that are normally loved by all major search engines. Then the software can blast thousands of forums and links at the pages to ensure your site a high Google ranking for competitive keywords. You can publish your content on a number of article sites, press release sites, video sites and Web 2 sites and other web platforms. The software is very helpful in generating web traffic from multiple sources. This tool helps generate contextual links that is favored by most search engines. This amazing software is a veritable tool that can ensure you a high search engine ranking for a particular set of key phrases. Using the software, you can keep generating backlinks and keep creating several versions of unique content for your website. The software can prove invaluable if you want to make postings on social bookmarking sites. The software is the right product for fast backlink building and generating web traffic. When a better search engine ranking is your destination, Ultimate Daemon will prove your desirable avenue to reach there. The features of the software have been provided to get you the intended business results on the web.
What is the main advantages that you can never ignore?
Ultimate Daemon simplifies and reduces the efforts of manual submission by doing the submission task automatically. So, the software saves your time and you save yourself from the boring repetitive actions of creating accounts and posting content. The interface of Ultimate Daemon is very clean and intuitive. The elegant and simple design gives a visual pleasure while working with it. This extremely intuitive design makes your task simple and most of the works require just few clicks. The software helps you get a number of and a variety of links in a very short period. All this is possible from the same interface instead of using several separate tools. In the Accounts Profile section of the software, you can see all your account information related to article and PR submissions, bookmarking, video submissions, etc. You can generate a comprehensive report after your submissions. This will help you to understand how successful your submission process is. The software offers a good value for your investment. It's cheaper than other software like SENUX. Ultimate Daemon is also remarkable for its simple layout. Edwinsoft provide a comprehensive user manual that makes your software usage a simple process. It takes less time in learning the software in comparison with other similar tools available in the market. Edwinsoft provide you with thousands of filter delete proxies every day as a bonus. You will receive these proxies daily in your email box directly. They make sure that you always have a significant number of high-quality proxies.
Okay, but tell me the few little hitches and glitches of Ultimate Daemon?
You may not find all the websites built into the software that you intend to submit your content. You will feel the need for more article directory sites, bookmarking sites, forum sites, video sites and Web 2.0 sites for getting more traffic. However, there are significant numbers of sites that can be easily imported into the software. This software doesn't include pre-made link structures that can be achieved in a single click of a button. The ones that are found in link wheels or link pyramids. With just a one-click button, you cannot make a new link wheel using this software, and this software also lacks built-in proxy scraper. But an amazing proxy checker and rotator is there in the software. But you can't expect that it would find public proxies on its own.
Okay, now the last question is, tell me about the pricing.
The software is available under two different pricing schemes: $47 per month and $397 for a lifetime license. The lifetime license fee will prove much cheaper in the long run. But right now I'm offering a huge discount at www.imdiscounts.net. Don't miss it out. The software is also available for a completely risk-free test for a period of 30 days. This money-back guarantee for a 30 days period is an important and strong product guarantee to the users of this software. Edwinsoft provide an excellent customer support to the buyers of this product. All your queries related to the software will be answered by the helpful support team within 24 hours of raising a question. So, if you want huge web traffic to your website in a short span of time, Ultimate Daemon will prove an effective as well as cost-effective solution. Your little investment will bring huge business advantages.
Okay, thank you for your time, Wayne.
Welcome, and thank you as well, Lizzie.